Whoa, check it out!
Check it out. I'm chewing gum.
He is chewing gum. Nice haircut. Who cut your hair?
Mom.
Mommy or daddy?
Both of you.
Oh, you're right. All right, guys, what's going on? So before we start, oh, fire truck. All right, so before we start, just want to let you guys know it is actually my birthday today.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
축하합니다.
Oh, thank you. So it is my birthday. Well, not the day that this is being uploaded, but the day that we're recording it. It is my birthday. We're gonna keep it pretty relaxed. We just finished eating lunch, and we're gonna head over to South Coast Plaza and just go window shopping.
Shopping's free for CrunchDad.
Later tonight, we'll probably grab some dinner, eat it at home. I like having pretty chill and relaxed days, and so that's what I wanted to do for my birthday. But
I'm done with all my school.
oh yeah, Jordan's all done with school.
He took an assessment test today and did really, really well.
Nice, nice. He assessed really well, if that makes sense.
Above grade level.
Whoa, above grade level. Good job. He's reading at a 7th grade level. We actually might go to the 626 night market because it's actually going on right now. So we might go over there, just stop by, see what's going on. So yeah, come along with us. Let's see what's happening at South Coast Plaza. Hi, Crunch baby.
Say cool baby.
Cool baby.
Cool baby. Okay, and Crunch
See?
mom's right there.
Cool baby.
She likes to sit next to
See, it's
Crunch
cool baby.
Oh yeah, cool baby. Nice. All right, guys, we'll see you there. All right, so we made it to South Coast Plaza and we're inside Uniqlo now. Are you ready to shop, Jordan?
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna shop for?
I don't need anything.
What?
We should pick stuff out for Daddy and Kai. It's their birthdays.
Oh, it is Kaya's birthday soon.
And shoes.
Hi, Crunch baby. Cool. Look at this place. Bath bombs. All right, it's gonna be Crunch Baby's birthday. Oh my gosh, there goes Jordan. Ah!
Pop!
No.
The sugar doesn't fit.
All right, it's gonna be Crunch Baby's birthday in a couple days. So hers is right after mine. We're gonna be looking for an outfit for her birthday party.
Yeah.
Kaya, who is this?
Mickey.
Who is that?
It's Honey.
Party.
Oh, for party. Oh. And then Jordan's just on a candy rush high. Look at him run. There he is.
Kaya, do you like
Yeah, so he could probably do that all day. He sneaks around. He's just gonna run around all day long. Let me see the dress. What is it? What's over there? Oh, you see the horses? Oh my goodness. Dance baby, dance baby, dance baby.
She's more of the 18 to 24 than
Yeah. Oh, we gotta go this way. Did you guys see it? Chanel now has Squid Game outfits. Amazing. It's so crazy. Everyone here has lines. So if you want to get in, if you don't have an appointment to the store, you have to get in line to wait to get into the store, which is crazy. Oh, I didn't know there was a third store here. Yeah, where does that one go? Oh, what are you doing, mister?
Hi.
You want Does Jackie know?
If we let him and he had unlimited battery on that thing, he could probably play that all day long. No joke. Even if there's no Pokemon around, there's no Pokestops, there's no battling, he could just stare at the Pokemon in there and read about Pokemon all day long. He's obsessed.
Pokemon's my favorite thing.
It is. Look at your new haircut. Nice. Do you see it? Do you see it in the reflection here? Oh, do you like it? Oh. All right. Crunch Baby wanted to ride the carousel. So we're gonna ride the carousel. Horsey, do you see the horsey? Yay, horsey. Which one do you want to sit on? That one? Okay. Mommy, can you find mommy? When Jordan was younger, Jordan would ride this all the time. Every time we would come, he would have to ride it. Multiple times sometimes. This carousel has actually been here. Jordan, did you know? This carousel has actually been here ever since Daddy was a kid. So Daddy used to ride this too when I was your age. Alright, we'll see you later. Hi, horsey. Whoa! Crunch Baby, woo! You're so tall! Kaya, you're so tall too! Do you like this? Nice! Okie dokie, we're back in the car now. That was pretty cool. I'm glad that it wasn't that busy.
It wasn't crowded.
It wasn't crowded at all for how crowded and how crazy it can get. That was like nothing. But Kaya, Crunch Baby really liked riding the horses. Did you like the carousel?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess she didn't like it.
I thought you liked it. Did you like
She
the horse?
loved it.
Yeah.
We're gonna stop by at Costco, maybe pick up some stuff, and then we'll probably head over to 626 afterwards. Yeah, that's true. We can go sometime this weekend because it goes Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But yeah, we'll see. Oh, and if you do want to go to 626, make sure you guys do reserve tickets online. I believe through their Facebook page. I think you could still buy them at the gate, but you don't want to take the risk because what if they say no? So you want to make sure you do get your tickets on their Facebook page. So make sure you guys go check that out first. All right, let's head over to Costco. Alrighty, so we just went and picked up some stuff at Costco. They already have Christmas stuff out, but we're getting gas now. We're actually just gonna get some dinner and we're probably gonna go to 626 tomorrow. So come with us. We're gonna go to 626, but we're gonna go tomorrow because we're kind of hungry. It's getting late and I know it's a food market, but we want dinner. And it's my birthday, so I gotta go get dinner.
Daddy.
All right. Oh, thank you.
So it's your birthday, so we're gonna get your dinner.
Oh, okay. That sounds good. All right, guys. So we'll see you guys at 626. Oh, haha.
We're gonna go celebrate with Daddy for his birthday.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
How was it?
Good.
What did you do? Did you play a game?
Yeah. I played a game.
Did you win?
I didn't win.
No, you didn't win.
I didn't win any.
It's a hard game though.
No, yeah, that was a hard game. So it's definitely better to come once the sun is down because it's cooler and you're not looking directly into sunlight, which is nice. There's a lot of vendors. I don't remember really. They don't look familiar at all.
There were only a couple of them.
Yeah, there's only a couple that I can think of that are still doing it from when we actually did it. I mean, we only did it once for a couple weekends. But overall, it's still pretty big. This one was pretty decent size, and there's a lot of people. All right, guys, so that was the 626 market. We'll see you guys. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
Oh, hands? Oh, okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys.
Bye.